Welcome to our Frontier 20 Porcelain Paver Installation video series. Our premium porcelain pavers can be used in many different applications. One of the easiest and most economical ways to install Frontier 20 pavers is the dry laying method. You can install them on sand, gravel, or grass. Frontier 20 porcelain pavers can actually be installed by laying directly on grass. However, we recommend that you install the pavers in contact with soil or a combination of soil topped with a ½ inch of limestone flake. You may wish to mark the installation area by staking lines, or for curved areas, marking with spray paint. Next, mow the area and rake up any grass or loose debris. Place a paver on the grass and adjust the position before marking the placement. Using a spade or landscaper's rake, remove the sod to a depth of about 1 inch. It's best to have a firm, level surface before laying your paver. Be sure to remove any rocks or roots that are in the way. Now you're ready to start laying pavers. For larger installations, it may be necessary to excavate or build up a base course of soil before laying the pavers. Taking the time to prepare a smooth, level surface will help you achieve better results. Now you're ready to start laying pavers. Use a level during installation to check adjacent pavers to maintain a consistent surface. Check that each paver is firmly set without any rocking motion or play. Fill any low spots with soil or gravel to ensure a solid fit. We recommend a soft rubber mallet to make adjustments or seat the paver. Once you've completed your layout, you may choose to fill in between with grass, sand, decorative gravel, or even glass beads. Frontier 20 porcelain pavers are available in a wide range of colors and styles. For more information or to see the collection, visit our website hardscape.landmarkceramics.com.